Hello students, today I have taken a very good question, that is two perpendicular chords OP and OQ are drawn to the parabola x square is equal to y. If the rectangle POQR is completed, then find the locus of R. Yesterday I also solved question which was based on the locus. Again this question is also based on locus, but we have to find the locus of R. Okay, so let's draw the parabola. So the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to y. Okay, so for drawing the parabola, we see that it is quadratic in x, so the parabola will be along y axis. If it was quadratic in y, then in that condition parabola would have along x axis. So it is quadratic in x, so the parabola will be along y axis. This is x square is equal to y. You can see this equation is in the form x square is equal to 4ay. So for finding a, 4a is equal to 1, then a will be what? 1 by 4. Okay, so in the question it is given that two perpendicular chords OP and OQ. O is what? Origin. OP and OQ means both the chord will be originate from where? Or from the origin. So this is, and both are perpendicular. This is P and this is Q. And after that it is saying that rectangle POQR is completed. POQ, and suppose here it is R. POQR, it is rectangle, so the angle of it here also it will be 90 degree. We are assuming the coordinate of point P as what? 280 281 comma 8t1 square. Okay, so here a is what? 1 by 4, then the coordinate will be what? t1 by 2 and t1 square by 2. Okay, a will be what? 1 by 4. Okay, here coordinate will be t1 square by 4, and the coordinate of this point will be what? t2 by 2 comma t2 square by 4. So we have assumed the coordinates of P and Q. Now the main task is to find the locus of R. So you know that if there is a rectangle, then the diagonal bisect each other. Okay, so I will use that concept. So suppose this is the diagonal. Okay, we can name this point as suppose N. Then the coordinate of N will be what? And we are assuming the coordinate of R as h comma k. Then the coordinate of N will be what? It is bisecting, so it is midpoint of this line RO. N is midpoint of line RO. So coordinate of N will be what? H by 2 and k by 2. And again you can see that h by 2 will be what? It is also the midpoint for PQ. So h by 2 will be what? 2 at t1 by 2 plus t2 by 2 by 2, 1 by 2 into t1 by 2 plus t2 by 2. Okay, so we can simplify this as h is equal to t1 plus t2 by 2. So 2h will be t1 plus t2. Okay, and now k by 2 will be what? K by 2 will be what? t2 square by 4 plus t1 square by 4 and into 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. So here we got 4k is equal to t1 square plus t2 square. And now our last task is to eliminate the t. So we can if we okay, 4k is equal to t1 square plus t2 square. Now we are proceeding from this equation. 2h is equal to t1 plus t2. Now on a squaring both side, on a squaring both side, so 4h square is equal to t1 square plus t2 square plus 2t1 t2. Okay, so 4h square is equal to t1 square plus t2 square, we know that is 4k plus 2t1 t2. Now the question is, how will you find t1 t2? Okay, so in yesterday also I find t1 t2, and you can also see that the slope of PO and OQ will be -1. So from that concept you will find t1 t2. If you are not clear, then I am finding also t1 t2, that m slope of OP into slope of OQ will be -1. So slope of OP will be what? 8t1 square by 2 8t1 into t1 square by 4 by t1 by 2 means 2 by t1 into t2 square by 4 into 2 by t2 is equal to -1. So 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, t1 t2. So here we got t1 t2 is equal to -4. So now we will put the value of t1 t2 here. So 4h square is equal to 4k plus 2 t1 t2, t1 t2 -4, 2 into -4. So 4h square is equal to 4k minus 8. So finally we got that is 4x square is equal to 4y minus 8. So you can simplify again, x square is equal to y minus 2. So this is our required locus of the R point. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section.